Hi there, and welcome back to Mind Power for Seniors. Rod Harter here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have another subject that I'm going to call something of interest, and that is regret. How many times have you laid in bed and thought about something in your past that you wish you had done differently? The job you should have taken, the relationship you should have gotten into or out of, maybe the person you wanted to ask back in the senior dance to dance and you just couldn't get around enough of that moxie to ask them out. Regrets really affect us all, but some more than others. Some of us spend too much time in the past leaning on and contemplating regret. So my advice to you, based on the studies that I've taken, the books I've read, is just let it go. It's not worth it. We all have them. Nobody's perfect. We've all made decisions, right or wrong, that we wish we could change. Hey, that's over. So focus on the now, and you'll feel much better about life. There's no sense dwelling on the past. I wrote a blog, and I did a podcast on this subject. I'll put the links below this so you can quickly click on them and go right to those if you'd like to read more. But my message today is leave regrets alone, okay? Whatever you've done in the past, it's over. Focus on the now and then the future. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.